Hey everyone, it's Lisa. I am backstage here at QVC and I'm getting ready for an hour show in 10 minutes with Teri Conn over on QVC2. So I'm really hoping you guys can come join us. We have some amazing items. Hi Dina, how are you? Yeah, so Teri and I went through the show earlier. I'm going to turn my camera around so I can show you. Like, there are some gorgeous things. CIJ sale prices. So check this out, you guys. I'm just going to turn this around. Like, look at this. Do you remember that baker? Look how absolutely adorable this is. This is on sale. Everything is on sale, but once it's gone, it is gone. Marty's here and Nancy's here. Look how pretty this is. Then come across here. Look at our little skillets right here. How adorable this is. Hi Nancy, hi Claudia, hi Catherine, hi Lydia. How's everybody? Check it out, you guys. These are on sale. Yep, I'm up on QVC2 in 10 minutes. Yeah, this is late. Hey Shane, thank you for all your help today. Hi Stacy Marie, how are you doing? Wait, look how cute these are. Look how cute the little skillets are. Everything is on sale pricing, you guys. So definitely check out. Remember our little tea sets right there? Comes with a stand, comes with a satin ribbon. Yup. And then look how cute these are. I'm going to go fast because, you know, I got 9 minutes. What can I tell you? Thank you, Shane. Cheryl, I know, so cute. And then the loaf pans, if you missed out on these guys, don't miss out anymore because the gray damask is almost gone. These are under $20 for a set of 4. They are 14 ounces. Absolutely cute. Hold on. Coming over here, you guys. Look how beautiful. We have the chargers. They're melamine right there. Absolutely adorable. Do you remember that, Janet? That baker? Yep. The green sold out. We have the white, which, by the way, is my fave. Oh, do you want a sneak peek at the fiber optic candles that are going to be coming up later this month? Okay. Well, since you're here and you tuned in, you're getting a sneak peek. Set of 3, fiber optics, 360 degrees. What? Yep. And they're not available yet. Not available yet. We'll let you know when. Set of 3. Yep. And the loaf pans are a set of 4. There's David's ornaments. Oh, look, more fiber optics. You guys, I got to tell you something. This is an amazing show. We also have the apron that I'm wearing. So much amazing stuff. But the big story is the CIJ sale pricing. So definitely check it out. We're over on QVC2. You love it with the white woodland. All right, I'm going to show it one more time, Cheryl, since you love it so much. Look at this. So this is a nostalgic item. We had this years ago, over 10 years ago. We had it only in the green. The green is sold out. We have it available in the white, which look at that. I just adore this. Look at the cardinal. Look at the detail with the beautiful embossing right there. And then look at that. Happy holidays. So, Marty, I know. Stay tuned for those candles, my friend. They're not available yet. They will be available sometime later this month. I promise you. We'll keep you posted. But what are you guys doing at 4? Who's going to hang out with me? I need a thumbs up if you're going to hang out with me at 4 o'clock, me and Teri Conn. By the way, she's so much fun. I can't wait to have an hour show with her. And then I'll be on QVC2 again at 5 o'clock. Oh, thank you for the heads up, you guys, and for the thumbs up. I will be over with Stacy Rush, and we have our awesome home sign. This one right here. Yep, right there. Absolutely gorgeous, you guys. So listen, I gotta go finish getting ready for the show. I never did a Facebook Live this late, but I'm hoping you guys can join us 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock, but a whole hour at 4. And I'm telling you, I'm not gonna lie, I don't buy a lot of gifts at this time of the year, but with this pricing, definitely check it out. Like this apron. Ooh, look how cute this is. It's adorable, and we're down to limited quantity. So I'm going to go run over to the set. You guys come join me. I'll see all of you, I hope. Thumbs up, right? I'll see all of you at 4 p.m. and at 5 p.m., okay? Bye, everybody. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.